Hey everybody, it's DJI Gamer coming at you with another quick video review. Today we are looking at the DJI Action 2 camera. This is a big departure from DJI's previous DJI Action camera, which had the look more similar of more close to a GoPro. This is a pretty significant departure from that. It actually comes in two main flavors. It comes with the dual screen combo, which is what this one is. This is a more expensive version. This retails over $500 US, and there is also a cheaper model. I believe it's in the $300 range, maybe high 300s, and that is the power combo. The difference being that the dual screen combo obviously has a screen in the front, so that when you're recording something, you can actually see what you're recording from this side. So if you're doing selfie work, you'll actually make sure that you're in frame. Now, in the back, on this model and on the other models for that matter, there is a memory card slot, but there is also internal memory that's usable for the main camera itself, and that is not adjustable. So the only way you can use a secondary card is if you actually have the two of them together. Now you can transfer through the software from the internal memory of the camera unit to the secondary unit, but either way you can always just plug the unit like this into a computer and take the data from either memory bank. So this weighs probably about a little bit more than an egg when you separate them, and that's what's cool about this. You don't need the bottom piece, so you can actually clip these little clips, push them in on the side there, as you can see in my left hand, and they will release the unit so that you can operate just using the camera unit itself. It's about the weight of an egg, and it is waterproof. So this is something that if you drop in the water, and hopefully you can catch it before waves or take it away, because I don't believe it is it doesn't float, but this unit can withstand water. The bottom part of either of the flavors of the Action 2 are not waterproof. So the way they connect is pretty cool. There is a magnet built into the system, and all you have to do is kind of get it close and it will want to connect on its own. And the latches on each side automatically clip in, and it is rock steady. Now some people have complained that you can actually push in just one side by mistake, and you can actually remove the camera from the base that way, and they think that that might be a reason to lose it, but it hasn't been that way for me, at least not yet. It feels very, very strong as long as these latches are attached. What you get when you attach it to the bottom base is obviously more battery, the ability to add extra memory, the ability to see what you're looking at or what you're recording if you're doing selfie mode, and also adds extra microphone arrays to get a even better audio quality than if you just use the camera alone. So the other thing to know is that in order to charge this unit, even the top unit, you have to plug both of them together and then use a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is included with the device, and that's how you charge them. You cannot charge this piece alone. No way to do it. Maybe on the next version you might see that, but at least right now you cannot. In order to power up the unit, you can press either button. They both work the same when you are connected. So just by holding it in, you will actually get a little bit of information here. I don't know if it might be too bright on the screen to see that, but let me adjust it here so that we can see it appropriately. What you're going to be seeing here, and it might be a little bit difficult based on the brightness. Let me turn the brightness down here for you guys. I get some focus. Yeah, tough to see, but what you can see is in the upper left corner, you're basically showing how much time you have recording at this type of recording. Now for here, I have selected 2.7K, at 50 FPS at a 4:3 ratio, and the RS at the end means rock steady, and that is a built-in stabilization algorithm so that when you're walking, running, the screen doesn't shake all over the place. Basically no zoom, 1.0x, and I currently have it in video mode, and there's a setting button over here, and in the top corner it shows you your general battery life. So each screen operates the same. It's very simple to use. If you swipe down from the top of the unit, you'll get some settings. You can change your photo settings. You can change, this is how you access the internal memory of the base unit or the memory that comes with the camera itself. You also will get the ability to do a screen lock, as well as other settings like voice control. You can actually use your voice to start and stop recording and turn the vibration on and off, as well as some other settings here: the wireless connection, video compression, sounds, grid, whatever you want. So that's what happens if you swipe from the top. If you swipe from the bottom, you get to actually pick what you want as far as resolution. So you get to pick the ratio, the total density or the resolution of the image, and then you can scroll back and forth and pick how many frames per second you want to have for your video. Upper right corner talks about the stabilization options. It says RS in the upper right corner, so that is the rock steady. And if you swipe back down, you go back to the main screen. If you swipe to the left, you will see pictures that you've taken in the past, and you have the ability to delete them from there if you'd like. And what else? Did the top, right? Did the right. Oh, and then you have standard field of view, and you can change that as well. You can get a wider field of view if you'd like, and an ultra wide. And there is some haptic feedback on the unit when you pick your choice, and that's basically it. It actually comes with a couple of really nice there's me. It actually comes with a couple of really nice accessories. It has an accessory, and they're all magnetized. The bottom of this unit is also magnetized, as well as the bottom of the top unit. You can put this on a lanyard. It actually comes with a lanyard, and that lanyard allows you to actually hook this camera to your chest and run around. And I haven't tested it myself, but it holds pretty well from other videos that I've seen. You also can attach this to typical GoPro mounts. There is a mount that you can use that actually magnetizes this, but makes the base into something that attaches to a GoPro mount and previous DJI mounts. And then there is a mount for a camera system, like a gimbal or a selfie stick as well, which magnetizes this to that single screw that you see on the end of tripods and selfie sticks and gimbals. So that is it. Now I'm going to run this through the paces, make a little video with it. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned to the channel for more quick reviews. I'm sure you can get a lot more in depth than what I did here, but as a quick brief look at a device that is pretty darn cool and unique, I thought I'd make a quick video about it. Hope you guys like it. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on any kind of social media. You'll find me, ed.gamer, and hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. Thanks a lot.